Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you 5 real credit hacks you can use to boost your credit score in as little as 24 hours. No credit repair company, no nonsense. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Hack number one, become an authorized user. Ask a friend or a family member with good credit to add you to their credit card as an authorized user. Now, their history will report on your credit instantly, boosting your credit score. Now, pro tip is make sure that their balance is under 10% and the card is over a year old before becoming a authorized user on this credit card account. Hack two, Experian Boost. So go to Experian.com and connect your bank account. They will then scan for Netflix, phone, and utility payments and report them. Hack three, you want to make sure that you pay down your credit card before the statement date. So don't wait until your due date, pay it before the statement closes. So aim for less than 10% of your credit limit. Now, this will then drop your credit utilization and can spike your credit score in 24 to 72 hours. Hack four, ask for a credit limit increase. So you want to make sure that you go to your credit card app or website and request a credit limit increase. If approved, your limit increases, your utilization percentage drops. So no need to spend more, just get more space, if that makes sense. Number five, dispute errors on your credit report. What you want to do is go to annualcreditreport.com, look for incorrect late payments, wrong balance, or fake accounts. Now, dispute them directly with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Some items fall off within days if they can't be verified fast enough. Now, these hacks are powerful, fast, and totally free. If this helps you, smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll go ahead and drop even more credit tips and money hacks over the week. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.